Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. So you guys convinced me I wasn't gonna do any Halloween looks this year, but here we are. I wanted to do quick and easy makeup looks, not using like face paint and stuff like that. I wanted to use products that you already had in your collection or you could easily go and get. This video is in partnership with Walmart. Thank you so much, Walmart, for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this. I love working with them. I've worked with them a bunch of times in the past. All the products you can go and grab at your local Walmart or get it online. Since Walmart has free 2-day shipping on orders $35 and over, if you need something last minute, you can get it shipped to you pretty quickly. So I will link every single product that I used in this video down below in the description box. And if you end up recreating, please tag me on social media and let's go ahead and jump right in. So I already have like my base done and everything. Just do whatever you do at home. I figured I would just already have that on because that part doesn't really matter for like the Halloween portion of this video. Also, by the way, this shirt is also from Walmart. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see what I do. Still want to make it like a hot girl Halloween look where you still feel glam and cute, but like you could be scary. That's where I'm going with this. So I'm gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna first start with the wing actually before I go in with any eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this. It's from L'Oreal. It comes with the liquid liner and these cat ears. How cute is that? So cute. Okay, what is this? Does this like help you do your wing? Are you serious? I bet this does. Oh, that's so cool. So this will help you get like the line exactly right on each side. Very cool, so that makes it even easier. I'm using the Flash Cat Eye Infallible liquid liner from L'Oreal. I'm just gonna start off by creating the wing. And when you use felt tip liners like this, make sure to utilize the full amount of your liquid liner. Don't just use the tip because all of the product is gonna rush to the bottom and it's just gonna take a lot longer. So make sure to utilize that entire side of the liquid liner pen. It'll be much quicker and it'll kind of like do the work for you too. So here it's completely on its side. I'm not coming at it this way, I'm coming at it from the side. I'm gonna go into the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in Warm Neutrals. This has a bunch of really great neutral shades that are lighter and darker in tone. I'm gonna grab this shade first, and then a little bit of these two shades, and just start bringing these into the crease. I'm actually just gonna mix those all together, and just start bringing this in the crease, and it's gonna start creating this shape and give us a nice base to create the smoky eye. I always like to start light to dark, and then build it up from there. Also carrying these into like the nose contour. Next, I'm gonna go with this reddish shade and start packing that just all over the lid. And it's okay if you go over that liner. I pick this up on the flat side of the brush, like this whole side, kind of like we were doing with the liner, and that will apply your matte shadow shades onto the lid very, very nicely. Now I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Soft Glam Palette. You can get this on Walmart.com, which is awesome. They've got a mixture of products online. I'm gonna go into Noir, which is this black shade here, and I'm gonna use this to like smoke out this liner. So I'm gonna go over the liner, start like patting on it, and just kind of carry it into the crease here, like so. Now in the waterline, I'm grabbing the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyeliner. This is in polished white, and I'm gonna bring this on the waterline. And I'm also going to extend that into this like inner tear duct, but like underneath it. And now I'm gonna bring that black shade underneath I'm gonna connect it to that wing and then carry it underneath the lashes and then bring it right underneath this white part. Yeah, see, if your wing wasn't sharp enough on this edge, don't even worry about it. I think it looks awesome, like smoked out like that. A little bit more animal-like, you know? And I'm just gonna buff that out a little bit, but keep it very precise here in the inner corner tear duct area. Now I'm going back in with that Flash Cat Eye pen from L'Oreal, and I'm just defining that inner corner area just so it's really harsh and precise, and that becomes a huge focus for the eyes. Ooh, I'm really liking how this is looking so far. I'm gonna grab my NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette, and I'm gonna go into the highlight shade right here. I'm going to highlight the brow bone here. This is the highlight that I have on my face right now, so it's just gonna kind of tie that together. Also gonna bring a little bit here. Be careful not to touch the black. Almost forgot to apply mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And then I'm just getting the tips of the bottom lashes because I don't want to cover up any lashes here in the inner part. So I can get all the way up to the base on the outer, just not the inner part. For lashes, I'm gonna go into these Salon Perfect ones. They're the Silk Noir lashes. I'm gonna go into my Duo Dark Tone Lash Glue to apply the lashes. While that's drying, I'm gonna grab this shade from the palette. I'm gonna pop that on my nose right here at the tip. Grab a little darker shade. Like the look of it not being like super precise. I'm gonna go into the NYX Nude Suede Shoes lip pencil and line and overline my lips. And then I'm gonna go back into the NYX Neutrals palette, and I'm gonna grab probably this darker brown here and use that to deepen up the outer corners of the lips to give it that depth. I'm also gonna bring that directly outwards. See how it kind of just goes to a point like that? It makes it a little bit more cartoony and a little bit more just, you know? And then I'm just gonna go over the top of it with the Milani I Am Smart lipstick. And then last but not least, I'm gonna grab my little ears. Look how cute. I feel so hot in this look. Like, I just feel like you can add whiskers if you want, but in my experience, I actually feel like whiskers are kind of complicated. Sometimes they can look like you've got way too many whiskers on. Sometimes it's like hard to get the flick just right, and then they go in different directions. I think you still look like a cat when you do the nose and you do like a wing. You could even just do a basic wing, but yeah, if you want to add whiskers, you totally can, but I feel like you get the idea that you're a cat, just like this. All right, once you got the ears on, the look is complete. You can use this for any animal, honestly, because I feel like it just gives that animal look. If you end up recreating this, please tag me on Instagram. I will link that down below in the description box, along with every single product that I used in this video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see from me. I'm kind of thinking I might do another Halloween look. If I don't do one here, I'll definitely do one on Instagram. So stay tuned for that and let me know your requests down below. Something quick and easy, kind of like this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Walmart for partnering with me on this. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.